for Just Nailed It, and we have got a video today where I have won Tammy's Manny's giveaway, and this is the package I was sent. So we're going to start to pull some things out and see what we got. Okay, we have got, we will remove that. Whoops. Whoopsie. Love these bags. Let me take all this out real quick. Because I cannot remember whose creations these are. Ebony Plush Creations. Hashtag EbonyPC to be featured. Here's their card in the back of in case you want a screenshot. Screenshot, screenshot. And we'll go back to the front so you can screenshot. Hopefully I'm not shaking too badly. Okay. Oh, we got some beautiful goodies. Beautimous. They're just beautiful. Whoopsie. We have got some gold foil leafing. We have got stars in 3 beautiful colors. Light blue, pink, and orange. And they are all in iridescent color. Thank you, Tammy, and thank you, Ebony, for this. I greatly appreciate it. And congratulations, Tammy. And over here, we've got some bling. Bling. Oh, it's not going to be so forthcoming. We've got 2 separate pouches. These are beautiful. Separate so you can see. Look how gorgeous that blue is. Those are so pretty. And then over here, I think I need to take this out. This is, oh wow, I don't know what you call this. It is on a chain, and they both have hearts. There's some bling. That is really pretty, really pretty. Thank you, thank you. Oh, there's another one in here. Thought I saw another one. I think this is almost the same. Beautiful. Very beautiful. And in this package, we have got, oh nice, got some nail stickers. We have got these are both stars, yellow and purple. Oh. Louis Vuitton, Chanel. I don't think you're going to be able to see those. But they're there. Beautiful. These can't tell what they are. I can't tell what they are. I just see one. Uno mas. Uno! Nice voice. I think these are leaves. Camo leaves. Different color leaves. Whoopsie. Whoops. We're gonna lose it. It's a tiny, tiny maple leaf. So that is what's in that container. And we've got some stickers. These say the universe, astronaut, space, space, space. There's some aliens and some astronauts and some UFOs, some spaceships. Really cute. Love those. These are some white butterfly stickers. Love those as well. What is this? Snow globe and ice breeze. There is a swatch stick that was in here. I don't know which one that is. We're gonna open it and see. Alrighty. Oh, that is beautiful. There's my stick. This is beautiful. I'm going to assume this is acrylic. Could be a glitter mix, so I'm really not too sure. I think it's acrylic though. Where's my lid? Let me see. This one was called Snow Globe 1 ounce. This is some white with some gold flakes, glitters, and some white hexes, I think, maybe. Yep, white hexes. I'm going to assume these are glitter until I talk to Tammy. By the time I edit this, I will know, so I'll just put that across the bottom of the screen. So this here has got to be the icy breeze, I'm sorry. Tammy, I thank you for my goodies. Let's see if I can get them all back in frame here together. Oh my goodies. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Congratulations. Thank you for the giveaway. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much to Ebony Plush Creations for sponsoring Tammy's giveaway. I thank you for your goodies. Love, love, love. Everyone have a blessed day and see you next time. Thank you.